Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can making a photo edit on the CapCut apps. So open the CapCut apps and tap on new project and then select your photo that you want to edit. And for example, so you can edit your photo with adding effect. Select body effect and select the effect that you like. For example, select this one, flame eyes 2, and just click check mark after you are done. And you can edit your photo with adding click the clips, select style and select the AI filter that you like. For example, 3D Zoom Pro, generate, just click check mark. And you can also edit your photo with adjustment. Just you can adjust for the brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, and etc. And you can also add a filter to your photo. Select filter that you like and adjust it, and here we go. Yeah, it's so super simple according to your creativity. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching.